How to start a print-on-demand Etsy business from scratch. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a print-on-demand Etsy business from scratch that is super profitable by just using our 5 easy steps. Welcome to the Peak Performance Channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. Do you have a passion for design? Or maybe you're just looking for a new creative outlet? Either way, starting a print-on-demand Etsy business is a great way to turn your passion into profit. And the best part is that you can get started with little more than a computer and an internet connection. Let's get started. But before we go any further, make sure you hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so that you won't miss a single video. Also, be sure to watch our other videos. So before we start, what exactly is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand, or POD, is a process where businesses can order custom print products in small quantities without having to invest in costly inventory or printing equipment. This makes it an ideal option for businesses that are just getting started or for those that want to test our new product ideas without a lot of upfront investment. Like dropshipping, print-on-demand does not need you to keep inventories or handle actual shipments of orders. When a buyer makes a purchase from your Etsy store, your supplier will collect the information and complete the transaction. Etsy is one of the best platforms for selling POD products. Not only does it have a large audience of potential customers, but it also offers a wide range of tools and resources to help you get started. To get started with your own POD business on Etsy, the first step is to create a seller account. It's super easy. Just go to the Etsy website and you can sign up directly using your Google or Facebook account. And once you have your account set up, you can start working on opening your store. But before you do that, you need to figure out what niche you want to focus on. If you didn't already know, Etsy is a marketplace for handcrafted things that are one of a kind and not mass-produced. Many market business concepts, such as dropshipping, would not work on Etsy since items are made on a huge scale in China, and print-on-demand is not one of them. Print-on-demand essentially allows users to sell products with prints of their own unique designs. Designs are only printed with each purchase, with no large-scale production. Step 2. Choose a market niche for your store. High-demand items like funny puns, flowers, and travel have a lot of competition on Etsy. If you sell a rare design related to one of those popular niches, you're more likely to get sales. If you're new to this, it's best to find what is popular but not yet oversaturated. You want to be seen, and having less competition will increase your chances. You can begin by choosing a well-received or personal niche and then conducting keyword research to determine which terms are being used most frequently. For example, pumpkin spice latte will have less competition than if you simply search for latte. Not only is the product you make important, but it's also key to choose a niche that you're passionate about because you'll be spending a lot of time working on it. If possible, try to pick something that is in high demand too, like tumblers over cushion covers, for example. Step 3. Select a print-on-demand fulfillment service. There are many print-on-demand POD fulfillments that can process your Etsy orders, including but not limited to Printify and Printful. These platforms can be easily integrated into your Etsy shop. With just a few clicks, any new designs made from your supplier's dashboard will automatically populate in your store. Their system allows for order details to be retrieved without needing you to fill out each customer's information line by line. Printify offers over 300 products for you to choose from to perfectly match any of your unique designs. And best of all, sign up is free. With Printify, you essentially have a platform that outsources orders to manufacturers located in various countries, one of them being China. What's great is that each manufacturer has their own ratings as well as shipping times, so you can make an informed decision on who to work with. And if by chance the manufacturer you chose cannot deliver on your order, do not worry. You will be given the opportunity to simply pick another within the system. However, Printful does a lot of the printing itself. This means that it is easier to work with them and you do not need to choose different suppliers. It is also great that your customers will be able to personalize their items when they order them, for example, by adding their names or initials. This is what makes unique crafts special. If you are looking to get serious in the future and want to produce your own white label products with personalized product packaging for your customers, Printful is a great choice. Both fulfillment companies have a wide variety of products, though they differ in both quality and pricing. When starting your business, it's usually best to pick one company so you can expand your product knowledge and make more profits. Printify seems like the simpler choice for beginners who want to get started quickly and expand later on to Printful. Here's a tip. Most print-on-demand business owners use both Printify and Printful. It can't hurt to have more than one avenue for your product and have Plan B. Hey, here's a quick reminder before we continue. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel. Now, let's get back to the video. Step 4. Find inspiration for your designs. Look online, in magazines, or even in nature. The more difficult part for most of us is uploading our designs in order to have a product in our shop. Don't worry, you're not alone. If you happen to be a graphics designer, then this task will be easy for you. However, if graphic design isn't your thing, there's no need to stress out. You can learn how to make basic designs using Canva, and we recommend that you get the Pro account so that you are able to download transparent background images. On the other hand, you can find designers on Fiverr to make designs for you. To get someone good, ensure they have high ratings and are punctual with their work so you're not left in the dark for too long. You should also give them a basic guideline of what you want, so that way the final product is up to your standards. How much you pay depends on how complex the design is, but anticipate shelling out $5 to $10 at least per piece. If you want to be successful with your design business, plan on creating 100 designs within the first few months. This will give you a good base stock to work with. Step 5. Sell your masterpieces on Etsy. When you select your supplier on Printify, the next step is to upload a design. First, choose the type of product you want to sell and its final colors. Then, arrange the design according to its dimensions. Keep in mind that designs should be optimized for printing sizes so it looks clear and not blurry when printed. Unsatisfied customers can leave negative reviews on your Etsy shop, so it's important to make sure everything is perfect. Most suppliers allow you to acquire a free copy of the completed product, plus shipping expenses, so you can see and touch what you're selling. You may also modify the profit margins for each product individually. It's a good idea to factor Etsy's fees into your pricing so that each transaction is profitable. Now that you know the 5 steps to starting your print-on-demand business on Etsy, here are some listing tips for your designs. 1. Make sure you have high-quality photos of your products that show off all the details. 2. Write detailed descriptions of each product, including information about materials used, dimensions, shipping times, etc. Be sure to proofread these carefully before posting. 3. Choose appropriate tags and categories for each design so shoppers can easily find what they're looking for when browsing through listings. 4. Use strategic pricing to attract buyers without undercutting yourself. Remember that people are willing to pay more for unique items that they feel good about buying. 5. Promote your listing actively online and offline. Tell everyone you know about it. The more eyes you can get on your listing, the better chance you have of making a sale. Once your products are listed, promoting your listings is key to driving sales. Etsy offers a number of marketing tools, such as ads and coupons, that can help you reach a wider audience. You can also use social media and other online channels to drive traffic to your listings. With some effort and dedication, you can build a successful POD business on Etsy. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. To create is effort, to copy is genius, by Albert Einstein. If you want to expand your income by building an online income, feel free to contact me, so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.